up, my fellow babies? This is your Tuesday morning garden update, and as you can see, it is getting time to cut the grassy patch. But aside from the grassy patch, let's move along. Onions are starting to make a full come up. Still some of them haven't come up yet, but most are coming up. My tomatoes are doing really well. And I've got to get some stakes for them. I've got a couple chopsticks holding a few of them in place. But yesterday I got in here and I weeded out a good bit of these weeds around my asparagus. You can see some of that asparagus is in there, like that. I'll come back over here for a second. So I've got cilantro here, and I've got more that is coming up in between things. And that marigold there is doing really good. That one sage plant's doing good. That one's trying to keep up. One little bitty rosemary is still struggling back there. It's still alive. Moving on down the line. Flowers are still looking pretty. Pretty as can be. Now, finally, we have sights of potatoes. This guy right here popped up last week. So did those two. There's one more down there in the middle, and then I replanted the last, I think, 6 or 8 potato area. Those weren't coming up, they were actually rotting. So my pintos are looking good. My northern whites are looking good. Black beans are looking really cool. They're all coming up really nice. My zucchini squashes are getting bigger. And they're going to start putting out some zucchini soon. Squash are doing okay, but not the greatest this year. Now for my okra. I took 2 more brand new packets of okra, Clemson Spineless, and planted it out here, since the only one that come up out of those old seeds that I had was this guy. And he ain't looking too healthy. Got some bug invasions. I'm gonna have to take care of that. But y'all, look at this corn there. That joker's already come up. I'll have to weed them out soon and get them down to size. But this is the Silver Queen and Peaches and Cream. Now this is supposed to be carrots, and I had a lot of carrots, sort of like they popped up, and they ain't really growing much size. So maybe those seeds were kind of old. You could finally sort of see my peppers a little bit better. Moving them down the line. I gotta put a trellis up for my cucumbers today, along with staking my tomatoes somehow. And I got 2 eggplants right there. So I got some more room to plant some stuff here. And I can put something on the edge here. So I set up some Mexican heathers yesterday. And this is gonna be my little second flower garden area here. Well, there you have it. I'm gonna get my pan shot. Well, my pan shot normally gets from. That is the update for the garden. Tuesday. See you again next week for update number 3.